Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the second devlog of my tower defense game series, currently being developed using Unity and C#. You can check out the previous stage of the game in the first devlog, link will be provided. A quick recap: I finished the basic module of a tower defense game, that is towers, enemy spawning and tile editor, which is being used to create the level. This devlog is dedicated more towards animations, combat and hero, which is a player controllable character. The first thing I worked on was updating the character models, as having capsules for enemies look rather bland. I normally use these two amazing assets for prototyping my games, and these assets are completely free. A link will also be provided in the description for the same. I used Mixamo for animations of my characters. Mixamo is a free website for tons of characters and animation. You just upload your character on the website and download the required animations. It's a quick and easy solution for rapid prototyping. I use the Goblin asset for enemies and a Barbarian Warrior asset for the hero character. Now talking about the gameplay update in the game. Creation of the hero character meant adding player control and a movable unit to play with. I feel having a hero also makes the game more engageable to the player. As I want my game to be more hero centric, this module was really important for the game. The player can select the hero from the bottom right button. This button has an animation to show the hero was selected, and the player can move the hero around when selected by clicking on the level. Compact was the final feature implemented for this devlog. Animations and state machines were added to both hero and enemy characters to make the combat look more believable. The next steps for this game is to implement skills and powers for the hero character, more types of enemies, and combining all the modules into a game. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to drop any suggestions or questions regarding the game. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys again next time.